What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Now today I want to just do a short video of a Tesla Model Y 2022 June edition, and to kind of get you guys to understand or realize or see what Tesla had decided for these rear doors speakers. Now if you saw my prior videos, we did the upgrades on the front door speakers and also the mid-range front dashboard speakers. But let me just show you guys. Now, to remove this door panel, just a really quick DIY is there's two screws on these door panels. So you got one right here under the door handle, and then you have one up here towards the top of the door handle. I'm gonna take those. You need a torque 30 bit. I put it on my drill because it's just a whole lot faster, but you could also do it with a ratchet and a torque 30. Plastic panel remover. I'm going to slip this in between the door panel or the door card and the door so I can kind of get my fingers in there. Now you're going to hear a big thing. You got to pull this quite a bit. Don't be scared that you're going to break the clips or anything, because they are pretty snug and you do need a little bit of a tug. And you're going to pull the door panel out and up just like that. So now that we have the door panel off, pretty fast and simple, I want to show you guys something. It would be very nice to upgrade these rear door card speakers, but this is the thing that I'm running into and other people are running into, is where the back speaker itself is kind of melted or like a plastic riveted in on the door card right here. So one thing you would do is take a drill bit or something and break that kind of plastic rivet or that melt inside that, again, plastic rivet. It does come off just like that with a little bit of tongue action or tongue play, but it'd be easy to remove that speaker. But I wouldn't say the hard part is, just more challenging part is to re-secure that speaker on that door card. Now I probably would do it with some like window glue, because that stuff is like king for stuff like this, where you would just kind of break that plastic rivet or that melt and then remove it and then put another speaker on top and just kind of do a window glue, which that stuff just keeps that speaker on. Now, kind of straight to the point, just wanted to show you guys, maybe people are looking for this type of information without removing the door cards, or maybe you're looking into upgrading your speakers and you didn't remove your door panels or door cards. So just a little bit of FYI or food for thought, or Tesla 101, whatever you want to call it, for you Tesla owners. Now I would consider doing that, upgrading the rear speakers, so you just get that whole full package from mid-range to door speakers and subwoofer upgrades. All right guys, thanks so much. I'm not going to be showing you guys how to put the door panel back on, but follow the steps just in reverse. And I appreciate you guys here at Vagabond Builds for watching our channel. And if you guys have any questions, comments, comment section below. And here's our email. Leave us an email. We can talk details later if you do need installations or things of that sort. Thanks so much guys for watching Vagabond Builds. Stay tuned. We got other things coming.